Welcome back for yet another exciting C# web tutorial. If you remember in the previous web tutorial to this one, the one directly before this, I asked you a question. I challenged you to figure out how you could accomplish all the error handling with one generic. Generic means it can handle all of them. The answer is these questions, or these things I ask you to do. And here's what you do. It's actually quite simple. You come up here, and all you have to do is, there are times you want to handle each exception differently, such as you want things to do specifically when that error happens, like when you have an overflow. But this should be able to handle every single exception that could happen. Alright, so we want to have the error message. Remember here I said error message text. That's here. Okay. We want to get the type of error message, which I can add in, and a list of methods. So we do have to add one more thing to this. So just a quick recap. I got the error message, point 1. Point 2 is the type error message, which I do not have. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to put it right there. So now I get the type of message. And I got to change that to EX, because the reason I need the EX is because the instantiated exception is called EX. It's kind of like this is an integer and I'm calling it IH. This is the exception and I'm referring to it in memory as EX. EX message, EX get type to string, all separated by the new line character and the stack trace, and can handle all exceptions. Let's run this baby and see what happens. Put this over here. So I put in a 10x. We validate. We try. It does not work. This pops up. It's quite the lengthy message, but at least you don't have to code a lot of the specifics to it. Right here, this is the message that corresponds with this. The new line brings it down to here, and from here to here, I'm sorry, to here, yeah. I'm messing this up. Right here, from here to here is the type of message, and the stack trace is down here and tells you the number. We run. And the form comes back up. Oh, I have to click OK, of course. And I hit F5. And let's make the number too big for the short. Again, it blows up, but we handle it. We suppress the message. We have the message come up. We have the type of message, and we have the stack trace. And we run it. And I'm going to come in and change the code just ever so slightly to help you. We'll do message. We'll put type. I'm winging this. Sometimes I wing things and they work out pretty nice. I could type where. And it'll tell you where in the code this happened. So let's run it now. And let's do a valid number that can fit into a short, but we're going to have it divide by 0, which is a bad thing. Normally you wouldn't do this, but I just do it to demonstrate. We step through the code. Up pops up the message box. Here you go. Here's the message. Here's the type. And here's where it happens. In the previous run, I kind of pointed to the wrong ones, but right here. Okay. Let's put in a bad number and see what happens. Oh, gotta come back here. Here it comes. See, we get different messages. This one is a bad number. We get more to it. Here's the message, here's the type, and here's where it occurs. Very powerful. So what you have here is one catch that can handle any type of message, be it divide by zero, format exception, overflow. If I were you, I would highlight this code, cut and paste it, and I'd use it.